In 1977, when I was 2 years old, I lost my father to the United States. He left Mexico to pursue a dream, to build us a house. It would be 8 years until I saw my father again. In 1985, when I was going on 10, I made my own journey north. But the father I came to live with was not the same father I had dreamed about all those years in Mexico. The distance between us is about my family's shattered relationships, how immigration turned my father and me into strangers. It is about what was lost and what was gained in our pursuit for a better life.
Good morning, Cavaliers. Our second annual Unity Day is on Wednesday, October 25th, and we're excited to announce that Reina Grande, the author of The Distance Between Us, will be here on campus to talk with us and answer questions. If you don't know, The Distance Between Us is a memoir read by most 11th grade students, and some seniors here in American Mosaic, that's an elective, may even read her sequel, A Dream Called Home. Our focus for Unity Day is to acknowledge the importance of everyone's story, no matter who they are or where they come from. We all share similarities and have common interests, despite how different our backgrounds, cultures, and experiences may be. Now let's hear from our students who would like to share their thoughts on Grande's memoir.
Hi, my name is Mateo Meza, and I would recommend this book to other people as I believe it is important for others to understand what immigrants have to go through to find success in America and how it could tear families apart, like how Reina soon lost her bond with not only her parents, but also her siblings as they realized that it was a struggle to keep up with the demands of society.
I really liked the book because I felt like it connected to my culture. So both my parents are immigrants. So like some of the stories that she was telling about her childhood really resonated with the stories that my mom would tell me growing up, especially her being from a more rural background. It just, I don't know, it was something that I rarely see in books.
While reading this book, I felt very identified and very seen because hearing the story from my immigrant parents of the difficulties of fitting in while coming to this country, and then also myself as a daughter of an immigrant family, I feel like I've faced similar struggles, and just reading and feeling this book is very emotional to me, and I felt very connected.
I would recommend this book to someone because it allows other people to see a different perspective of the American dream, and also a lot of our families who came here, we can see the different struggles that they faced.
I really like the book because as a Mexican American, it really hit to home given the fact that she's also an immigrant and I come from a long line of family who are immigrants. To see a Mexican American succeed in the literary world was really meaningful to me.
I really like the book because the author really redefined what the American dream was, and she kind of put it in her own perspective. It wasn't really about money, it was about finding who she was in the US.
What the book taught about myself was that although I'm also an immigrant, everyone else can also go through the same stuff, whether or not they're an immigrant or not. Because coming from low-income family and Grande going from the same spot, it also allows me to connect with her and other people, as we don't have to go through anything alone and we can go through stuff together.
I would recommend this book to someone because if you don't know about people's stories, especially Hispanic, it would tell you the real side of things.
I'd recommend the book because it opens your eyes to different perspectives. I think it taught me to be more open about people.
I would recommend this book because it allows other people to get a different perspective of the American dream, and it also allows people who have immigrant parents to relate to them and see their struggles.
I learned that we're all connected in some way. Everyone's story is different, but at the end of the day, we all share the same challenges and difficulties. But at the end of the day, in her book, she was able to overcome them despite, everything she went through as a child and into adolescence. She was able to become a great author, and that's honestly the American dream for a lot of us.
I feel like it's something that many people go through, but they just don't speak up about it because they're ashamed or whatnot. And I feel like it's nothing that you should be ashamed about. You should be proud, and you should represent your culture.